will mix sweets. This is colored simya or vermicelli. Then I mix with this one. This is pasta and this is colored. As you can see, there is yellow, green, red, and what is more. And also I mix this one. This is simya, also vermicelli. Before I mix yung pansit, I mix also. So this one, by this time I mix sweets, and this is common sweets in Pakistan. First I make like this, tangak kung sa Tagalog, without oil. So this is enough. Now next we can put now water here. Now it's already boiled. Now we can mix also coconut flakes and raisins and also this organic walnuts. So this one, I will keep this one for halwa, or I will mix soji. So this one packet is cost 50 rupees in peso, 10 pesos. Now we have to put now this one. And then we have to put now also sugar. And after we will put also milk, evaporated milk. I will use fresh, this milk back, commercial evaporated milk. Now let's get, I'm cooking here in chimney or pugon or angiti because it's very cold outside. I don't know how many degrees centigrade. Very cold. Check well if this is already soft. It's vermicelli. Now we can add now also this milk. I have this evaporated milk pack. This is only 250 ml. So I will use this one. We'll put on this one, was enough. Now let's check again. Now little bit we have to put here if already sweet enough or is soft. Now for the last time we have to check because I think this is already cooked. Because no more also water. So this is enough. This is already cooked. You can eat this one yung mainit-init pero hindi naman masyado mainit, yung katamtaman lang ba. I remove already from chimney or pugon or from angiti and I put here already in stove. So I put already here and then we can taste now.
Ayan, umuusok pa. Pero masarap ito kainin, yung katamtaman lang ba na mainit. Ayan. This is common sweets in Pakistan nationwide. And they are making this one during also in Ramadan or in some occasions also. If there is some visitor, then they can make also this kind of sweets. So, kain tayo.